How to fix Snapchat camera problem. In order to fix this issue, what you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down and then search for the application Snapchat. Once you find it, head over to it. Over here, you have to make sure that the camera option is enabled. Once you have enabled this option, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store. In the search bar, search for Snapchat. Move it to this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are having the issue. In this case, tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once done, the next thing you want to do is once again head over to settings. Move into general. Head over to iPhone storage, and then in this page, search for the application Snapchat. Once you find it, head over to it. Now tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. And it might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Snapchat, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Snapchat camera problem. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.